So we're going to start off with our toy collection. We've got approximately 500 lots of toys. This sale will be taking place on online only, Friday, September 24th. It'll start on the Friday before, and then the closing will be on the 24th around 6 o'clock. Sorry about the bright light there. And as you can see, we've got a variety of different toys and models and die casts. We have a Volkswagen collection of some sort from a collector, and some really cool pieces here, as well as a extremely large collection of corgis. The corgi toys are just amazing colors and detail in them. What's just astounding on the detail of these toys. All brand new in boxes, all going up in the sale Friday, September 24th. As you can see, the large tractor collection. You can go online. The run list will be there. Dinky toys, Matchbox toys. Really cool collection. I hope I'm not going too fast. And as you can see, there's quite an assortment. And then we've got a really cool police car toy collection and police memorabilia. That was this collector. She collected a lot of this stuff over the years, and it's time to downsize. There's a bit of everything for collectors. So there's even some really cool Sesame stuff and the Toy Story for you collectors that are just not into tractors and die casts. There's something here for everybody as far as toys are concerned. A collection of army tanks there and some really cool pieces. Some mugs that are all car related, and as well as some vintage Coke posters on hardboard. So I hope this is giving you a pretty good idea. I mean, this room is just totally cataloged, and then we've got some sports memorabilia as well towards the end of the run list, with some unique sports stuff. Some of it signed, and some star hockey players. Yeah. And last would be the Wayne Gretzky, and there's an NHL dartboard. I'm just going to open that up so you can see there. And that's it. That's our toy collection auction that we've put together. That starts on Friday, September 24th, as far as going online and the countdown, and pickup time would be for on the Sunday. Saturday we're running our second part too. So yeah, come join us and get some really cool pieces here. Now let's go into day 2.